striking black, Anthracite, Playful Pink, and Sundial edition of the Air Max 95 is the newest colorway to surface as part of Nike's ongoing Big Bubble comeback, and it is scheduled for sale in May 2025. The silhouette is back in all its vintage splendor, retaining its recognizable anatomical design with a black and gray gradient upper made of suede and mesh. With its vivid pink air units, which are a part of the brand's growing Big Bubble launch, and its whimsical sundial orange accents on the swoosh, tongue branding, and lace loops, this specific colorway breathes new life into the 95's legacy lines. The sharp edge of Sergio Lozano's 1995 masterpiece is elevated by the rich hues, which provide a punchy contrast to the otherwise monotone base. The paneling, outsoles, and midsoles are all black, which highlights the lighter elements while maintaining the stealthy look. The Nike Air Max 95 Sundial is anticipated to go on sale on Nike.com and at a few select stores in May 2025.